Hello. I want to review about Hoover Black Power Scrub Elite Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner Shampooer. About item. Powerfully removes deep embedded dirt and stains with 360-degree brushes and strong suction while being gentle on your carpet. Tackle surface stains as they happen with quick clean mode and enjoy dry carpets in 45 minutes. 2-tank system with a 25% larger tank keeps dirty water separate from the clean water so you can clean more and refill less often. Take the guesswork out of mixing solution. Power Scrub Elite mixes the correct combination for you. Included, storage mat, 8 feet. Hose to deep clean hard to reach areas, 2-in-1 pet tool attachment to remove pet hair, stains, and odors, and sample bottle of carpet cleaning pet solution. Thanks for watching. You can get best price and discount from link in description. See you next video.